Feeling lost in the world of online business platforms? Don't worry, because in the next 90 seconds, we're cracking open Kajabi and showing you exactly how to use it to build and scale your dream business. First, let's talk course creation. Click on Products. On the left-hand menu, this is where the magic happens. Hit Create Product and choose the type of course you want to build: a mini course, an online course, or even a membership site. Inside the course builder, you can upload videos, PDFs, audio files, really. Any kind of content you can dream up. Organize your lessons into modules, add quizzes and assignments, and even drip-feed content to keep your students engaged. Now, let's dive into marketing automation. Kajabi makes it easy to build email sequences, create landing pages, and even run webinars. So click on the Marketing tab, create a new email campaign, customize your message, and segment your audience for targeted communication. And don't forget about community. Under the Community tab, Kajabi allows you to foster a thriving online community around your course, create forums, host discussions, and connect your students with each other to improve your courses. Monitor your progress using Kajabi's built-in analytics. Track student engagement, sales, and revenue to see what's working and what needs improvement. These reports help you make informed decisions and optimize your business over time. So there you have it, a quick tour of Kajabi's powerful features, from course creation to marketing to community. Kajabi gives you everything you need to build a thriving online business. Start your free trial today and turn your passion into profits.